Guys, look at your babies. Be careful with your baby. We're going to put the baby in the garden. Okay? We're going to put it in very gently. Okay? Masaru. Ben, can you sit down? Ben, can you sit down and take your baby? Here, Ben, hold your baby. Hold your baby. Two hands. Two hands. Two hands. Two hands. Hold. Oh, don't drop it. Hold it carefully. Carefully. Hold it two hands. Okay, so Masaru and Martino, come and put your baby in the ground. Over here. Come here. JT. Put your baby in the ground. Masaru, come on, put your baby in the ground. JT, come and put your baby in the ground. Bring your baby. Put it in the ground in here. In there, gently, gently, gently. In there. That's right, that's right. No, take it out of the pot. Okay, now you tuck it in, Masaru, and say, grow, little baby, grow. There you go, look. Masaru, good job. Okay, Mr. President, put yours in there. Pull it out, gently. You don't need this, just pull it out with your hand. Pull it out with your hand. Put your hand in there. Pick it up, pick it up. Gently, gently. Put it in there. GT, go get your baby. Get your baby. Okay, Ben, you dropped your baby. Oh, good job. Good job. Good job, Mr. President. Okay, put the dirt in there. Put the dirt in there. Good. And then we just tuck him in and say, grow, little baby, grow. Grow. There's your little baby in there. JT, bring your baby. Get your baby. Good job. Inside. Good job. All right, then we'll get some water. Get some water. JT, get your baby. JT, go get your baby. Right there on the floor.
JT.
Right here. Get your baby. Nice father. Nice parenting. Hey. Okay, go get some water. We'll get some water. We'll plant some water. Get some water. We'll get some water. Give them some water. JT, you have to plant your baby. Come on. You don't just throw it like that. Take that, Martino, and go water your baby. Hold it with your hands. Get your baby there. Pick up your baby. You banana. Gently. Martino, put the water where you just put your baby. Okay, gently. Yes. You don't like it. That's okay. Okay, put your baby in the ground gently. Put your baby gently. In the ground. Okay, now we tuck it in. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. And now tuck it in. Tuck it in. Tuck the baby in the ground. Tuck it in. Look at your baby. There's your baby. Now go get some water. Get some water. I'm going to give your baby some water. Go get some water. Stop. Get some water and we'll give your baby some water.